-10 last night and it's -5 this morning. We're finally venturing out to do all the chores and see how everything fared overnight. Hi, girls. They've pretty much huddled together through the night and keeping each other warm. Let's go. Chuck, come here. Come here, Chuck. Yeah. Frozen water. Alright, girls. See you later. We saved 3 eggs from freezing. How many inches? 3.5. Hi, Gloria. My Louie.